no matter what car model you encounter. The first step is to identify the key type, because different key types require different programming methods and use different universal remotes. Many beginners fail at key programming. It's not actually a technical issue. They chose the wrong direction from the start. It was supposed to be a smart remote, but they bought a regular remote instead. The key clearly has a chip, but they only cut the blade. So in today's lesson, we will use the most intuitive way to teach you how to classify and select car keys and universal remotes. Car key classification, OEM keys. Keys that come with the car from the factory. They come with fixed programs that cannot be changed. They can be programmed directly. Suitable when the owners insist on original keys, or for models that don't support generated keys, where only OEM keys work. Aftermarket keys, not produced by the original factory, but can replace the original key. One-to-one restoration of OEM function and appearance. They come with fixed programs, which cannot be changed. They can be programmed directly. Suitable for models that don't support generation. If there's a big price difference from the OEM key, consider choosing an aftermarket key. Universal remotes can be repeatedly written with programs for different models. The key program itself is initially blank. It needs to be generated by a device and then programmed to the car. One remote can be reused for different car models. And key programs, there are more choices for appearance. The only downside is, it doesn't look exactly like the original key. With so many types like wired and wireless remotes, there are basically two ways to generate them. One is the wired remote generation method. It requires connecting a cable. The second generation method is placing the key in the coil to generate directly remote brands and models. 1X horse VVDI Remotes. Pros, universal and compatible. Perfectly adapted to VVDI series devices. Supports both chip generation and cloning modes. Note, must be used with X-Horse VVDI series devices. Some high-end specialized remotes need activation first. Types include wired remotes XK series, wireless remotes XN series, smart remotes XS series, super remotes XE series, 2KD remotes. Pros, best choice for beginners. Fits most family cars. High cost-performance ratio. Affordable price, can be rewritten and programmed repeatedly. Accessories are easy to buy. Cons, some new car encrypted chips require specialized unlocking devices. Smart remote styles are relatively few. Wired remote. A type includes remote key function, no chip, integrated remote generation. NA type, chip and remote are integrated. Smart remotes, wireless generation remotes. ZA series universal supports 46/47 for a chip generation. TA series Toyota specialized supports Toyota 8A chip generation. TDA series Toyota specialized supports Toyota 4D chip generation. HZ series 4 aftermarket push-to-start models. 3. Autel Remotes Pros. Designed for Autel programming devices. Fits BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, Land Rover, and other new luxury models. Supports the latest encrypted protocols. Programming process is simplified. Cons, higher price. Only fits Autel series devices. Weaker universality. Knowing so many remotes, how do we choose one during actual operation? Check frequency and chip. Ensure remote frequency matches the original key. Chip types must match. Check the device. Using VVDI device, choose X-Horse VVDI remotes. Using Autel device, choose Autel remotes. Using KD device, choose KD remotes. Check the car model. Family cars, choose KD remotes. High-end encrypted models, choose VVDI remotes. New luxury models, choose Autel remotes. Check the budget. Beginners stocking up, choose KD. High value for money. Pros covering multiple models. X-Horse V, VDI remotes. Focusing on high-end luxury. Choose Autel remotes. Finally, some common remote issues solvable by devices. 1. Detect remote info. Quickly identify remote type, check remote model, frequency, chip, and other core info. 2. Query usage record. Check bonus points collection time, generation timestamp, and history like generated options. 3. Remote cloning. Two compatible remotes can copy data from each other. No extra programming needed. Can be used directly. But please note, the two keys cannot be used simultaneously. Otherwise, rolling code desynchronization might occur. 4. Smart remote customization. Customize key button functions. For example, lock, unlock, trunk buttons, or when buttons do the opposite of what's needed. You can use the customize function to set each button's function. Finally, check if the buttons work properly. Is it simple? Understanding is good, but choosing correctly is more important. After class, check your own car keys and use today's points to deepen your understanding. What do you want to hear next time? Tell me in the comments. If you haven't followed yet, click follow now. I'll take you to learn more about car key programming tech.